At first glance, it might sound almost surreal, yet every creature feels emotions with the same intensity we do. If you find yourself on a quest to discover that secret key which can draw the one you love ever closer, know that you're not alone. During my deep exploration of Neville Goddard's wisdom, I stumbled upon a transformative insight that redefined my entire perspective on reality. Now, picture embracing an idea so profound that it gently recalibrates your inner world and, in turn, your relationships. As this notion becomes a part of who you are, you'll start noticing a subtle yet powerful shift in how that specific person responds to you, almost as if the universe is delicately aligning your deepest desires with the rhythm of your life. This revelation reshaped my understanding of manifestation, and I truly believe it holds the promise of guiding you towards a more radiant and deeply fulfilling connection. You might have encountered the idea that your perfect life is already out there, patiently waiting to be claimed. I get that this notion can feel a bit baffling at first. You may find yourself wondering, where is this hidden treasure? How do I reach that deep, genuine connection, attain the freedom of financial security, or discover a home that truly resonates with my spirit? Yet, when you take a careful look at your current situation, you notice that the person you long to meet isn't present. Your surroundings have yet to transform, and your finances haven't blossomed into the abundance you dream of. It's completely natural to feel skeptical when pursuing the dreams that seem almost too good to be true. You might find yourself thinking, where is it? Why can't I see it? I've walked that same path of doubt, and I know many of you have experienced it too. My perspective started to shift the moment I encountered Neville Goddard's 1969 lecture, Believe It, and the scriptures say, all things are possible to him who believes. Taking that leap of faith is never easy. We all ask ourselves, how can I trust in something when every ounce of my logic and instinct screams otherwise? Yet, it's precisely in embracing this uncertainty that we begin the journey toward transforming our reality. As you set out on your journey of manifestation, it's completely natural to grapple with moments of doubt, challenges that even the most experienced practitioners of the law of attraction have faced. Today, though, we're here to ease that uncertainty. In one remarkable lecture, Neville Goddard unveils a profound truth. Our entire reality springs forth from the power of our imagination, a limitless canvas where every possibility eagerly awaits its chance to emerge. He shares with us an illuminating reminder. All things exist within God, and God resides within you, just as you exist within Him. Imagine that your very core is your imagination, a brilliant, eternal spark of divinity that lives within you. It's far more than a mere tool for thinking. It's a vibrant, living energy pulsing with limitless potential. When you picture your deepest desires, it's as if you're drawing from a sacred wellspring, calling those dreams to life. Delving further into this idea reveals the true essence of manifestation. Neville Goddard reminds us that our imagination is infinite, capable of holding every hope and aspiration we dare to dream. Whether it's that heartfelt relationship you crave, a home that perfectly mirrors your spirit, or the financial freedom you desire, know that each of these wishes already exists within your inner realm, reflecting the genuine essence of who you are, patiently waiting to be awakened into reality. When you shift your focus inward, you're actively nurturing your dreams into existence. Your inner visualizations become the powerful force that molds your reality, echoing the timeless wisdom. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. Even if it seems like your deepest longings haven't yet surfaced in your external world, remember that your current reality is the result of countless past moments of creative thinking. You might find yourself reflecting, "I never consciously pictured this outcome." And while that's partly true, the persistent flow of subtle thoughts and visions has been gently directing your life's path all along. Consider your inner vision not as mere fleeting images, but as a vast, ever-changing landscape where every thought, reflection, and spontaneous emotion contributes to the masterpiece of your life. Every mental experience is a creative act, a vivid expression of your inner world. The obstacles you face today might be gentle echoes of solutions discovered in the past, and the breakthroughs you celebrate now may lay the groundwork for future revelations. That's why it's crucial to invest your energy in what truly resonates with your heart. By living as though your desires are already fulfilled, and by releasing what no longer serves you, you welcome a transformative magic that reshapes your reality in the most profound ways. Even if your eyes haven't yet witnessed it, trust that your dream reality is quietly coming to life. When you form a clear, vivid image in your mind, that vision becomes as tangible and significant as any real experience. Every detail you imagine, whether it's the gentle caress of your specific person, of a loved one, or the soft murmur of affectionate words, carries the power to manifest into your world. The key is to turn your focus inward, embracing the feeling that this loving connection is already woven into your very being. Immerse yourself in that inner state of unity, where every moment exudes the warmth of togetherness. The deeper your trust in this vision, the more naturally its transformative energy will ripple outward, reshaping your life in beautiful, unexpected ways. The moment you begin to center your energy on what truly excites you, you spark the journey of manifesting your most profound desires. Our minds are perpetually buzzing with thoughts and images, some uplifting, others not so much. The trick lies in making a deliberate choice. Channel your focus toward what fills you with joy and aligns perfectly with your inner aspirations. In doing so, you're not just daydreaming, you're actively sketching the blueprint for a life that mirrors your highest self. Transforming your mindset starts with the conscious choice to replace negative thoughts with affirmations that empower you. When you shift your inner dialogue toward positivity, you'll begin to see your world reconfigure in your favor. Instead of relegating your desired connection to a distant future, why not embrace it as if it already exists in the present? After all, the only moment we truly have is now. So affirm with certainty that you are already united with the person you seek. This subtle yet profound shift holds the key to turning your dreams into reality. Consider the difference between saying, "I'm going to be rich," and "I am rich." The former sets up a gap between your current state and your desired future, while the latter bridges that gap by affirming your abundance as an immediate truth. Your inner creative force, your divine essence, flourishes in the present moment. By believing that your ideal reality is already unfolding right now, you unlock the true magic of manifestation. I know this might seem a bit unconventional, and you may wonder if those who embrace these ideas are merely drifting in a fantasy. But trust me, they have experienced something undeniably profound. By living these principles, they've turned their dreams into tangible realities, and that's why their success stories carry such a powerful impact. Many of you have likely felt the law of attraction working its magic in your own lives. I invite you to share your experiences in the comments below. Writing down your journey can trigger that enlightening aha moment, revealing just how potent your power is to create change and inspiring you to take that next courageous step on your path. Before you begin reshaping your inner world, remember that change without deep, heartfelt conviction rarely brings the transformation you seek. It's time to let go of trying to force outcomes. In a single moment, your entire reality can pivot, but only when you shift your inner perspective. Perhaps your specific person, the person you deeply long for, isn't reaching out right now. Maybe you've encountered long stretches of silence or received only lukewarm responses when attempting to connect. This gap might indicate that the subconscious image you hold of them still needs a refresh. Embrace this moment as a chance to realign your inner vision and observe how that subtle shift can open the door to a more enriching, fulfilling reality. At first, it might seem strange to picture yourself with that special person when there's no visible sign of connection. Yet, as Neville reminds us, imagining that you're already united is a crucial step in drawing that bond closer. Initially, this inner practice may feel like self-deception, but with regular repetition, you'll begin to notice gentle shifts in your environment. These emerging changes will bolster your confidence in the vision. The more deeply you come to believe it, the more naturally you'll live from a place of union, until eventually, your entire world starts to mirror this new, empowering reality. When I say that everything exists within the human imagination, I mean that inside you lies an expansive realm of limitless states, a boundless spectrum of possibilities. Picture your inner world as an immense library where every book contains a unique experience, emotion, or state of being waiting to be brought into existence. You hold the extraordinary power to awaken these dormant possibilities, transforming the vivid stories of your inner visions into the reality you live every day. Only you can infuse life into any state by wholeheartedly embracing it and channeling that vibrant energy into your reality. Often it may feel like the hard, objective facts carry more weight than the subjective experiences you cultivate within. Yet, every state originates in the boundless realm of your imagination. The moment you immerse yourself in a particular feeling, it begins to manifest in your world. It might grow, shrink, or even seem to fade temporarily, but its timeless essence always remains, waiting patiently to be rekindled by your focused attention. The most transformative act of creation starts when you immerse yourself in unwavering certainty and truly live that belief. Think about it. If you firmly believe that your specific person has lost interest, that very conviction will begin to mold your reality, pushing them further away. Every thought you hold sends out its own energy. When you dwell on feelings of rejection or indifference, you're inadvertently attracting those energies into your life. Essentially, how you view that person is a reflection of what you project from within. So, if you're yearning for a deep, loving connection. Begin by embracing a state of unshakable confidence and heartfelt warmth. As you nurture this inner truth, you'll start to see the universe subtly rearranging your external world to align with the love and connection you so earnestly seek. Imagine a scene where the two of you are sharing a flawless day together. See them standing by your side, their eyes alight with genuine admiration as you both create memories that feel straight out of a cherished dream. Envision the softness of your kiss, the sparkle of delight in their eyes, and hear the sincere declaration, "You're the best thing that's ever happened to me." Keep that vivid picture in your mind, seeing them exactly as you wish, fully devoted, brimming with love, and completely committed to nurturing a fulfilling relationship with you. It's only natural for doubts to occasionally creep in, perhaps whispers like, maybe they only have a passing interest, or they could easily choose someone else. Yet, in the reality you are actively creating, these doubts lose their grip. In your envisioned world, they are utterly enchanted by you, drawn irresistibly to your energy, with their heart entirely yours. Embrace this state of joyful certainty and let it guide you toward the love that's already waiting to be experienced. As you continue on your path, you may catch yourself asking, when will it finally happen? Or when will I really feel it? But remember, there's no need to wait. Your dream reality is already part of who you are. Your inner vision has already painted a vibrant picture, and you felt its energy deep within your soul. Instead of getting caught up in timing or the details, embrace each moment as if your dream is unfolding right now. Every experience is a step that brings you closer to fully living that vision. Thank you for joining me today. If what we've explored resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more uplifting content. I'd love to hear your own manifestation experiences. Drop your thoughts in the comments, because your story might inspire someone else on their journey. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to connecting with you again in the next video.